If the points A that is 6, 1 and B that is 8, 2, C that is 9, 4 and D that is P, 3 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find the value of P. Given vertices of a parallelogram are A which is 6, 1, B which is 8, 2, C which is 9, 4 and D which is P, 3. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. By using midpoint formula, we get 6 plus 9 by 2, 1 plus 4 by 2 is equal to 8 plus P by 2, 2 plus 3 by 2, which implies 15 by 2, 5 by 2 equals 8 plus P by 2, 5 by 2. Comparing the x coordinates, we get 15 by 2 is equal to 8 plus P by 2. Cross multiplying, we get 15 into 2 is equal to 2 into 8 plus P, which implies 30 is equal to 16 plus 2P. Transposing constant to other side, we get 2P is equal to 30 minus 16, which implies 2P is equal to 14. Transposing 2 to other side, we get P is equal to 14 by 2. Therefore, P is equal to 7.